Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD. Today's Tuesday, March 23rd, 2021. It is 11:07 and 14 seconds a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, anti-cancer immune response. So let's hop to it here. Bacteria may aid anti-cancer immune response. The findings of a new study may explain the microbiome immunotherapy connection. Date March 22nd, 2021. Source, Weizmann Institute of Science. Summary. Cancer immunotherapy may get a boost from an unexpected direction. Bacteria residing within tumor cells. Researchers have discovered that the immune response sees these bacteria and shown they can be harnessed to provoke an immune reaction against the tumor. The study may also help clarify the connection between immunotherapy and the gut microbiome, explaining the findings of previous research that the microbiome affects the success of immunotherapy. Immunotherapy treatments of the past decade or so have dramatically improved recovery rates from certain cancers, particularly malignant melanoma, but in melanoma they still work in about 40% of the cases. Protein fragments are peptides on the cell surface that mark cancer cells as foreign, and may therefore serve as potential added targets for immunotherapy. Researchers extended their search for new cancer signposts to those bacteria known to colonize tumors. Researchers analyzed tissue samples from 17 metastatic melanoma tumors derived from 9 patients. They obtained bacterial genomic profiles of these tumors and then applied an approach known as HLA peptidomics to identify tumor peptides that can be recognized by the immune system. The HLA peptidomics analysis revealed nearly 300 peptides from 41 different bacteria on the surface of the melanoma cells. The crucial new finding was that the peptides were displayed on the cancer cell surface by HLA protein complexes. Complexes that are present on the membranes of all cells in our body and play a role in regulating the immune response. One of the HLA's jobs is to sound the alarm about anything that's foreign by presenting foreign peptides to the immune system, so that immune T cells can see them. Using HLA peptidomics, we were able to reveal the HLA-presented peptides of the tumor in an unbiased manner. This method has already enabled us in the past to identify tumor antigens that have shown promising results in clinical trials. It is unclear why cancer cells should perform a seemingly suicidal act of this sort, presenting bacterial peptides to the immune system, which can respond by destroying these cells. But whatever the reason, the fact that the malignant cells do display these peptides in such a manner reveals an entirely new type of interaction between the immune system and the tumor. This revelation supplies a potential explanation for how the gut microbiome affects immunotherapy. Some of the bacteria the team identified were known as gut microbes. The presentation of the bacterial peptides on the surface of tumor cells is likely to play a role in the immune response. And future studies may establish which bacterial peptides enhance that immune response, enabling physicians to predict the success of immunotherapy and to tailor personalized treatment accordingly. Moreover, the fact that bacterial peptides on tumor cells are visible to the immune system can be exploited for enhancing immunotherapy. Many of these peptides were shared by different metastases from the same patient or by tumors from different patients, which suggests that they have a therapeutic potential and a potent ability to produce immunoactivation. In a series of continuing experiments, researchers incubated T cells from melanoma patients in a laboratory dish together with bacterial peptides derived from tumor cells of the same patient. The result: T cells were activated specifically toward the bacterial peptides. The research findings suggest that bacterial peptides presented on tumor cells can serve as potential targets for immunotherapy. They may be exploited to help immune T cells recognize the tumor with greater precision, so that these cells can mount a better attack against the cancer. This approach can in the future be used in combination with existing immunotherapy drugs. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. I hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.